Here's how to get free Tinder Gold, free Bumble Premium on all of your dating app profiles when creating them at scale for marketing an OnlyFans account. Hey, my name's Bjorn Olsen from YourOnlyFans.com. I'm the owner of Your OnlyFans Empire and Empire Forums. Your OnlyFans Empire is a management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. It's with hotel rooms and traveling and all my different videos. Check me out at Bjorn Olsen Official on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get you back to the video. Alright, so yes, it does say June. I actually came across these images on my computer and that reminded me, hey, I should probably show these to my YouTube audience because it's still happening. We still do it. And in this photo, in these photos, it is Bumble, but it also happens on Tinder too. And these are iPhones. If you've seen my other videos, you'll know that we only use the iPhone method for creating dating apps at scale. Can't be bothered with App Clone, can't be bothered with all the mobile proxies, can't bother anti-detect. It was just so much easier to buy a shitload of iPhones and do it that way. And we're doing it for over a year, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now, this trick may work on Android, but I don't know. Don't have a good history with loading up Google Play cards. It always seems to be an issue. It's almost like they're just blatantly ripping you off. So that's another reason not to use Android. Plus, this method won't work on Android anyway. But anyway, so yeah, if you're using iPhone and you're creating dating app profiles, this is for you. So what we do is we use App Store gift cards to purchase Tinder Gold, to purchase Bumble Premium. Because when you're creating dating apps at scale, you'll learn very quickly, as I did, when you purchase Bumble Premium with a credit card and then the account gets banned, then you reset the iPhone, you create another account, blah, 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 and then you go to purchase Bumble Premium again with the same credit card, yeah, they recognize you and they will ban the account. So I learned very quickly, we should probably use gift cards. I found it easy just to use App Store gift cards. Now, if you're doing this, make sure to only purchase gift cards for the amount that you need. So if you're just purchasing Premium, for example, then just get a $30 App Store gift card. I'm speaking in Australian currency, whatever the US one, you know, you'll work it out. Point is, don't buy more credit than you need because what will happen is you could possibly load in a $100 App Store gift card, purchase Bumble Premium, and then the account gets banned. And then that remaining money is lost. So you don't want to do that. So we only purchase App Store gift cards for the amount that we need to purchase Bumble Premium or Tinder Gold. And then you can just leave it at that. So then if the account gets banned, you're only out $30 or whatever you spent on the App Store gift card. Now, when I started doing this, I quickly noticed that because there is no secondary payment method linked, because it's not linked to a credit card or PayPal account, I noticed that when the credit runs out, when the App Store gift card credit runs out, the premium account still stays. Same with Tinder Gold. When the gift card amount runs out, the Tinder Gold account stays active. So you'll see here, this is here. It was meant to expire on June 3rd. These are the same. This is the same account. I just took two different images to show you. So yeah, so here it says active until June 3rd. So that was when it was meant to expire. But as you'll see here, that's June 6th. So that was 3 days after. Still active. Still able to do unlimited swipes, see the likes and everything like that. Then you can see here, 3 days later, June 9, same account, still active. Look, still working. Still swiping on the likes, still getting unlimited swipes, etc., etc. Now this happened every month. This happens every month. Now, it's kind of a lucky dip. Sometimes this may go on for an extra week, sometimes an extra 3 days, sometimes an extra 3 weeks. It's kind of a lucky dip. I'm not sure how that works. My guess is that it's kind of lagging. So the time it takes for the credit to run out, when the credit runs out, my guess is there's a bit of a lag there between the credit running out and the device telling the dating app that there's no more credit there. That's my guess, but whatever it is, you're getting free premium, and this happens every month, and this will add up. So some accounts may get an extra 2 days, some accounts may get an extra week, some accounts may get an extra 3 weeks. Lucky dip, but it happens every time, and it all adds up. And you're just getting extra free premium or Tinder Gold days on these accounts. So if you like the content, please go smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.